I got white girl. Everything white coat, my shit white shoes. When I hop up out the door, I was sniffing white. They was like, why? I'll be getting money. Yeah, bitch, you need some baby wipes. Bitch, you so lame. Getting money, yeah, you is ashamed. Ashamed. Yo, baby ain't wearing white tees like me, nigga. Yeah, yo, nigga wants to fight me. Yeah, my white tees, they gon' fucking bite like Spike Lee. That's the shit I was wearing 10th grade. Got money, then I got a fade. But it don't look like that today. Tryna get money, yeah, I got on white shirt, bitch. Yeah, you know I'm a flirt. Yeah, you know I'm a jerk. When I come, I ain't gonna be dancing. My coat, yeah, white as fuck, look like Marilyn Manson. I'm coming up with my motherfucking band, son. You better know. Yo, bitch, you think I'm handsome? She gonna need a ransom for that money she done gave me. Yeah, that money she done gave me. Yeah, that money she done gave me. She paid me in white like, oh shit, I need that. Baby, coming up till I go lazy and crazy. Until I shoot that gun, bang, bang, and then you need a motherfucking AK to save your damn self. You need some help. Then I'm coming up, I'm a nigga with the wealth. I'm coming up, man, I need a check and a Fendi belt. Need a beat that I could motherfucking shred up. Need a motherfucking bitch. And hopefully she don't get me fed up like motherfucking beast. I'm a motherfucking beast in the streets with the gold. Yeah, it's on me, looking like I'm so icy. So icy. Yo, bitch, don't like me. I'm getting more money, nigga. You gonna fight me today, tonight. Yeah, I'm like Batman with a motherfucking bat stick. I'm gonna whack you. Whack you. Yeah, I'ma whack you. Since you talking about that shit, I'ma whack you. Clap you down to the ground. Where your pussy ass was found. Yeah, I'm talking gold, gold nice, gold out the motherfucking gold teeth. You better know me, you better know my flow, B. It be flowing like some gold.